All right, guys, this is the Dewalt 20 volt max half-inch high impact torque wrench. This has a max breakaway torque of 1,400 foot-pounds and a max fastening torque of 1,030 foot-pounds. Now, this is a very powerful tool. It has 3 torque settings, first, second, and third, all done by push button here. And then you have this precision wrench setting, which allows you, if you're just tightening down a bolt, it'll tighten it down at 820 RPMs. And then once that bolt is tight, it will pause, and then it will use the impact wrench settings. Now, it does pause so that you can take your finger off the trigger, so that you don't over tighten the bolt. So that is a really nice feature. This is great for just turning in bolts, and you don't want to actually use the impact wrench setting. Then you also have down here your light. So you have 2 brightness settings here, and then you have off, which is nice. So you've got a little bit more light down here. I do like that. So as you see, it does have some weight to it. It does have a variable speed trigger for the first, second, and third gear. As I press the trigger, you'll see it does get faster. But if you are in the precision mode, it does not have a variable speed trigger. The same throughout, that 820 RPMs. If you've got this thing in third, you'll notice when you pull down, it will crank the wrist a little bit. It does have a lot of power. It's not super loud, which I do like. If you're working on cars or you're working on lawnmower or something like this, this is a great tool to have in your arsenal.